For years, Adam Malalepshi has resisted the urge to buy cryptocurrency, telling his friends it's a bubble waiting to burst. But a fortnight ago, the fear of missing out became too much for the computing student, and he bought Bitcoin.
I still think that it's a bit of a gamble. The volatility is insane. It's a market that is home to just so many speculators that make it hard to determine what the price should actually be based on how useful it is.
Since the end of last year, the price of Bitcoin has regularly hit new record highs, and Citibank says it could surge to $410,000. But history shows it could come crashing down as it did during the last buying frenzy a few years ago.
But we've seen certainly a buoyant market over the last 6 months, and it doesn't look as though it's going away anytime soon.
Cryptocurrencies allow you to pay another person directly, cutting out the middleman, namely the bank. But they have downsides, which may explain why a few people have used Bitcoin to buy drinks from Ben Schute's bar.
It costs about $10 to transact on Bitcoin right now. So it doesn't make sense to buy a $10 beer when you have to pay another $10 to transact.
Payment companies like PayPal now allow cryptocurrencies on their platforms. MasterCard has flagged it will soon do so. The Bank of New York Mellon will create a new division to help clients buy and sell digital money. And the financial services company Square has invested about $65 million in Bitcoin. So too has the world's biggest electric car company, which has bought $2 billion worth. Tesla boss Elon Musk says crypto could be the future currency of Earth.
And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? And maybe it'll be multiple. But it should be considered speculation at this point.
Tesla says it plans to let customers pay for their electric cars using Bitcoin. At the moment, its most basic model will set you back about 1 Bitcoin or $70,000. But consumers and businesses aren't using it because its price can rise and fall by thousands of dollars in just one day.
Okay, so on this wall...
At this high-end art gallery, the owner has offered Bitcoin as a payment option for years.
We haven't actually had people buying through Bitcoin, which doesn't surprise me really, because it's quite a niche method of payment.
While some people are holding onto the so-called digital gold, hoping its value will shoot up, others say it could have a lot further to fall, especially if governments intervene.
Do you really want to put all your money, literally, on the back of a crypto asset, which could be subject any random day to an executive order, effectively confiscating it at whatever price the government wants to dictate, or saying it's worth nothing because it's funny money?
Currently, the risk of government regulation seems to be low, but if it does happen, fear of missing out will be replaced by fear of not cashing out earlier.